How to fix Steam error code 50. So here I've just opened up the Steam application. I'm going to show you 3 fixes that you can try. Now for the first one, we're going to click on Steam here in the top left corner, then go to settings. Here we will go to downloads and just click on clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So click on clear cache here. That's the first fix that you can try. Now the other fix, the second fix that you can try is opening up your computer search engine, typing run here and opening up this run application and type this out, %local app data. So %, where's my %, local app data, and again a %, and you can click on OK. And this will load up this folder here. Now we want to find the Steam folder. So right here, and just right click and delete this folder. If it's not letting you delete it, then what you have to do is click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager here, just find Steam and end the task if it's saying that it is in use elsewhere. Now that was the second fix. Try restarting your PC, and the last fix that you can try is to simply restart your router. So restart your internet, wait for a few minutes, and then try again. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.